We'll guide you through how to play LAN in Minecraft Java Edition. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as then your friends can go and join your world and you can go and play together. It can be really fun. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this is full guide and let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and pause the game like so by pressing escape. Find the option for open to LAN and you can click there. Make sure you go and just set this up to your liking and press start LAN world. You're going to go and get a port number there, which you can go and note down. Now what your friend needs to do, can do is come into the game and go and press multiplayer. Yours should go and appear at the top here. They'll need to be connected to the same network. They can select it and then go and join it. If it doesn't, head back to yours. Come to the bottom of your computer and type in CMD. Right click on it and you need to press run as administrator. Press yes. In here, you'll need to go and type in IP config like so and press enter. Now you go and see the different adapters you have. Find the one you're using. I'm using my Ethernet here. So then what I can do is go and find my IPv4 address. Go and give that to your friend or note it down. Now your friend can come back to Minecraft, press multiplayer and press direct connection. And in here, what they need to do is go and type in the IP address, then type in colon and type in the port, which was for me 59797. Then they can press join server and they should then be able to go and connect to the world and go and start playing. If they still can't, you'll need to repeat this step on both computers. Press search at the bottom and go and type in Windows Security and open this up. Go to the left and you'll need to press firewall and network protection. Come into each of these and you can go and turn off the protection. Do that on both and then hopefully your friend will be able to join. If they still can't, a great alternative is the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. There you can go and get a server and you'll be given an IP address. The great thing about this is that the server will always be online and anybody can go and connect to it. They don't have to be on your network, which is really convenient. So it's got other great features as well. And then once you've got it, then you can return to Minecraft and press add server, give it a name, and you can go and paste in the IP address there and you can then go and connect. And then you can go and play with your friends.